friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Valorant error code 1067 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Windows 11 setting, then go to the Windows and update. Click on update, wait for complete update, then close it, then press on start menu, search here services. Here you search app readiness. You can see here app readiness, double click. In startup type, if you are manual, you should select automatic, then click on start, then click on apply, click on OK. If you have Discord, you should disable your Discord, then restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.